Did you know Stephen Marley's song It's Alright was originally written by Jamaican artist Omi? Stephen reshaped the lyrics, weaving in his own life story, from his childhood with his parents, to carrying on the Marley legacy after his father's passing. Just like Bob Marley's timeless message, It's Alright reminds us that no matter the struggles, mental freedom, unity, and hope can guide us forward. Stephen turned Omi's words into a deeply personal anthem of resilience. This is Did You Know? On Reggae Hour.
I've caught a glimpse of the beautiful. I've come to learn pain teaches more than hurt. Some come to the end of the world